These are called the Klein curve heavy duty wire cutters and strippers. And these are a little different from the hybrid pliers that came out about a year ago, because these are pretty similar, the hybrid pliers and the heavy duty wire cutter strippers. But there's some differences. There's a similarity too. They got the same nose, the same exact size. You can twist 3 wires with either pair. But there's a difference. You see the handles are a little longer on these. And the cutters are shear type cutters, while these are more compression type cutters. These are better for little small wires, like stranded wires. They cut better. These are better for larger wires. They have greater cutting strength because of the shear nature of the cutter. See, they go across each other like that. The new heavy duty pliers have a spring. See, they're spring loaded, while the hybrid pliers have a crimper right here. See, it's kind of a trade-off when any company makes pliers of what to put here. You can put a spring or you can put the crimper. So you got to decide what is most important to the user. In this case, we have a spring, so it comes back, and a lot of people like that. Another big difference between the two is this has 6 different sizes of stripper. The new pliers strip from AWG 10 to 20 stranded wire and AWG 8 to 18 solid wire. Here's some 10 gauge wire right here. So I'd go to the solid side. Right here, solid. Strips are real nice. A real nice stripping tool. You get a lot of power. These would be really good for old houses, like 50s and 60s, because those wires are kind of melted together to the copper, and they're hard to strip sometimes. Something like this, a good heavy duty tool with nice sharp cutters, that's really what you need and working on an older house. So, and it's got nice cutters. They got the bypass shear cutters. Oh, they're nice. They're really nice. Here's some 12 gauge solid wire. So it's the third one up on the solid scale. Third one up. So put it right there. Yeah, these are nice. I like these a lot. Then you can just cut the whole thing easily. Yeah, make sure you don't cut your finger. Jeez, those are really sharp. Here's some 14 gauge solid wire. Put that on the 14 scale right there, and it strips real nice. One really nice similarity between both pliers is that they have hot riveted joints, and they're both very close to the cutting surface. So that gives you good power, and the hot rivet makes it so it doesn't come loose later on. And this is at a good price point for a tool like this that has hot riveting. And both these tools, see right there and right here, are made in the USA. These new pliers right here also have a looper. You put your wire in here and just go ahead and loop it. Another difference is that the new pliers have holes on the end so that you can hang them up. I've got the hybrid pliers at 11.3 ounces and the new heavy duty wire strippers at right on 10 ounces. So that's my report on the new Klein heavy duty wire cutter and strippers. They're really nice. They're strong, hot riveted. The rivet's close to the cutting surface. You got a shear type cutting surface. And I love that they didn't put a catch on them. I hate those catches. The catches catch when you're working and it get in your way. So you just put these in your tool pouch and they're good, you know. Overall, I love these pliers, and I'll put a link in my video description for this pair of pliers, and I'll put a link for the hybrid pliers. Also, I'll put links for other new tools from Klein, such as the Klein CL380 True RMS HVAC meter, which measures temperature with an included thermocouple probe. It also has all the features seen here on its dial, and it has a black screen with white numbers that is said to optimize viewability both in dark or bright ambient lighting. I'll put a link for the new Klein moisture meter, which can detect and measure hidden moisture. And last but not least, I'll put a link for the new Klein cap style hard hat, which comes with a work light which can be attached either in the front or in the back of the helmet. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.